Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So, you've heard about Linux, you've heard about Ubuntu, and you're ready to take the plunge. Maybe you're tired of Windows, you're curious about coding, or you just want to breathe new life into an old computer. Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to install the latest version, Ubuntu 24.04 LTS on your computer. We'll cover everything from downloading the right files to that final reboot into your shiny new operating system. It's easier than you think. Before we begin, let's make sure your computer meets the minimum requirements for Ubuntu 24.04 desktop. You'll need a 64-bit processor, at least 4 gigabytes of RAM, 8 gigabytes or more recommended, 25 gigabytes of free storage, and a USB drive with at least 8 gigabytes capacity. If your computer meets these, you're good to go. You can click on the download button to start the download, or click on checkout on alternative downloads to downloads using, say, a torrent. Now, we'll need a tool to write that ISO file onto a USB stick. Go to the Rufus site and download the latest version of Rufus. Rufus is free, lightweight, and super easy to use. Once downloaded, open it, no installation needed. Insert your USB drive, then open Rufus. You'll see your USB device listed at the top. Now click Select and choose the Ubuntu 24.04 ISO you downloaded earlier. Now, the important part, partition scheme. You'll see two main options, MBR and GPT. And the MBR works best for older systems using legacy BIOS mode. GPT is designed for newer computers with UEFI firmware. It supports larger drives and is more reliable. If your PC is from around 2015 or newer, choose GPT. If it's older or running in legacy BIOS, go with MBR. Once selected, leave the file system as FAT32 and click Start. Rufus will warn you that all data on the USB will be erased. Click OK to continue. After Rufus finishes, your bootable Ubuntu USB is ready. Now restart your computer and enter the boot menu, usually by pressing F12, F10, Escape, or Delete, depending on your PC brand. From the boot list, select your USB drive to start the Ubuntu installer. Choose Try or Install Ubuntu. Select your language and keyboard layout. Connect to Wi-Fi or LAN if needed. You can skip this if you want, but just of an update. But you will have to start the process again if you update. Go for interactive installation. Check the box for install third-party software for better support for graphics. Wi-Fi, and media formats. If you want to dual boot with Windows, choose Install Ubuntu alongside Windows. For most beginners who want to replace their existing operating system, like Windows, the easiest option is Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. This will wipe everything on the main hard drive. Enter your name, your computer's name, and pick a username. Most importantly, create a strong password. You'll need this to log in, and for administrative tasks, you can choose to log in automatically or require my password to log in. I recommend requiring a password for security. Click Install, and now we wait. The installer will copy files, install the system, and apply updates. Once it's finished, you'll see a message saying, the installation is complete. Go ahead and click Restart Now. It might ask you to remove the installation media, so when it restarts, make sure to pull out that USB drive. Your computer will now reboot, and this time it will load directly from your hard drive into your brand new Ubuntu system. You'll see the login screen. Enter your password, and you'll be greeted by the clean, modern Ubuntu desktop. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. From here, you can explore the Software Center to install applications like Discord, Steam, or LibreOffice. You can customize the look and feel with themes and extensions. The world of Linux is now at your fingertips. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tutorials. I'd love to hear how your installation went in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.